36 crore.
Health Minister Dr. M. Amparin Lyngdoh said the government is committed to have X-ray and USG at Bhaitbari CHC within the end of 2024. Replying to a query raised by TMC MLA from Rajabala, Dr. Mizanur Rahman Qazi today, Dr. Lyngdoh said the doctors are being trained with the help of Government of Tamil Nadu for doing ultrasound sonography. She further informed the House that there is no X-ray machine, USG machines and CT scan machine in this CHC due to non-availability of trained doctors to operate and handle the equipments.
85A, no sir. B, sir, due to non-availability of trained doctors to operate and handle the equipments. Sir, due to non-availability of trained doctors to operate and handle the equipments. C, yes sir, government is committed to have X-ray and USG within the end of 2024. Doctors are currently being trained with the help of the Government of Tamil Nadu for doing ultrasound sonography, sir.
Minister in